If you're replacing a bathroom faucet, the first thing you want to check is the spacing of the holes on the sink. The most common is 4 inches, and you'll find that marked on the label of the box. I would check the type of fastener that the new faucet has. You can see on this old faucet it has metal threaded rods. You can see the corrosion. This was fairly difficult to remove. The new faucet has plastic nuts on a threaded stem. This is going to be easy to install, and if I ever need to remove it, it's going to be much easier to remove. I'm going to be replacing the supply lines. Manufacturers recommend every 8 to 10 years to replace the supply lines. At the faucet, most faucets are going to be 1/2 inch iron pipe size. At your shutoff valve, it could be 1/2 inch compression, 3/8 compression, 7/16, or in old homes, 1/2 inch iron pipe size. 3/8 compression is the most common. What I like about these universal supply lines, there's 3 bushings, so this will fit any type of shutoff valve. This style faucet has a plastic gasket that you set over the holes on top of the sink, and now we're just going to drop the faucet right into those holes. Now I'll hand tighten the nuts from underneath. You don't need a tool. Now I'm going to connect my supply lines to the shutoff valves. These take the 3/8 compression bushings. If you're replacing the supply lines, look for stainless steel braided. They're preferred. Many parts of the country, the vinyl supply lines are not code. Hand tighten your supply lines and then give them a 1/2 turn with a tool. You don't want to over tighten them. Flush your supply lines into a bucket before you connect it to your faucet to get rid of any debris. Now I'm going to connect the supply line to the bottom of the faucet. You can use a standard wrench or a basin wrench. Now you can turn on the shutoff valves and check the faucet. Then double check your supply lines to make sure there's no leaks.